Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time, not really a long time, but well, long time, because I had, corona, so I had to stay away from the society and plus school as well. Okay, so today we're going to use this lock and twist gel because I've got like a lot of undergrowth hair and it looks not really good, so I just decided to give it a try to twist this hair to see how it will come out. So I'm using the clear one. I guess it's only clear in the market. I'm not sure, but this one is. So I'm going to be using this to kind of move my hair around and things like that, hold it down, scissors to trim, and a water to saturate my hair. Apparently this is rice water and orange peel, fermented orange peel, you know what I mean. So that's what I'm going to be using to saturate my scalp, because I believe it works fine. So you're going to be needing a towel just to, stop any dripping, because when I say fermented rice, it stings. So you're going to have to use that to kind of stop any water that is dripping down. And then after that, your hair will not smell, I promise. It doesn't smell because so many essential oils are in there and so many beautiful smells are in there, so it will not smell like you think. So I'm going to start with one. So this one, I'm just going to saturate it again, because I think the more you have water on it, the more the gel stays, the less you need gel, because if you use too much, it's going to cause a lot of build up. So you just need a teeny bit, as long as you saturate your scalp for your hair to be moist. So when I'm twisting this, I do not twist too strong, because you will end up breaking your hair, and that's not what we want here. We just wanted to roll down, just twist as long as it's not too tight, to make sure that the undergrowth hair is in control and just not everywhere, you know what I mean, just like I'm doing. Do not twist very tight, please. Don't break your hair. Don't say Chichi asked you to twist this way. Don't. If you feel like it's getting too tight, leave it. Please don't twist it at least 4 different times, and if it's too tight, do it 3. Don't break your hair. So as you can see, the growth I have on this hair right here, and it's a bit not clean for me, so that's why I'm trying to put it back in order. So if you're watching this video now, just know that this hair is heading to just few days to 6 months. You heard me, 6 flipping months. So I'm about taking it off, and I've had some couple of people on the main video where I make the hair. They said, please, could you tell us how to take the hair down? So I think I'm gonna just do a 5 to 6 minutes video of how I took it down. Apparently it's a bit difficult, just the installing to take it down. I'm not going to discourage anybody that wants to do it, because I really have enjoyed carrying this hair. So I'm going to make a short video of how to take it down. If you have not seen how this hair was installed, please go and check that video. I'm going to put that video, the clip, up there or down on the description box, so that you see how the hair was installed. This is just an extension, and from the main video I was able to include everything I used and showed how it was done. So go watch that video and you come back to see how, when you make this hair, how you're going to retwist it, if you haven't already. But if you have, then thank you for doing that. This is an update, you know what I mean. So keep twisting this hair until you achieve everything you want. There's a question, do you wash this hair at all? Yes, I wash the hair, and yes, I have a video on my channel where I washed it, and yes, I wash it every 3 weeks, and yes, it is clean. And yes, I can't carry it about smelling like what I don't know. Yes, I wash it. So please, if you have this hair and you're wondering if you can wash it, check out my video where I washed it and see how I washed it and the method you can use not to, so that you not pull your hair. So please wash your hair. Don't smell gunky and walking about thinking, oh yeah, it's dread. Nah, you wash your dread, boo boo. Don't. Because if you see from this thing, there will be definitely a build up. I didn't just do this and leave it like that till the end. I did this, then I carried it for 2 weeks, and believe me, I took it off and washed because there will definitely be a build up. Remember, it is a gel. It's not just one thing like that magic happens. It's a gel. So you definitely have to wash your hair. You can't be smelling all gunky and nasty and all that, walking about thinking, yeah, like I said, it's dread, I don't wash it. You wash your hair. I wash my hair all the time, so I can't even count how many times I wash this hair, because it's like I literally wash it all the time and let it air dry. I don't use hand dryer to dry. I just let it air dry and I oil my scalp. I mix so many essential oils and all that and oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond, grapeseed oil, and castor black oil, Jamaican castor black oil, organic. They are all organic oil, and I put some tea tree oil just for my scalp, and peppermint oil. So many essential oils on my scalp just to make sure that I'm feeding my scalp while carrying this hair, because sometimes this our weather right here in the UK can dry out your scalp if you have a hair like this. So make sure you moisturize your scalp. And so this is me I'm done twisting the side of this hair, and I'm gonna go to the back right now and show you what the back look like on a closer look. And then that question, like, will you be able to twist the middle of your hair and the back? Yes, you would. Definitely, nothing will stop you from doing it. I'm doing it, so you can do it. So as long as you do the right thing, pack it away from the way so that it will not bother you while trying to move the particular hair you are twisting, and you'll be fine. You'll be good to go. Just make sure you do not tight this hair. Don't make it so strong. Like I said, only twist when you're comfortable. If it's too tight, release it. Don't break your hair. You end up losing hair, and that's not going to be funny. To be honest, I hate losing hair. The moment I lose any hair, like, I'm done making that hair. So be careful not to lose your hair. So this is a peanut amount I'm taking, not too much. You don't need or the whole gel on your scalp. You just need a little bit to avoid build up, too much build up. So you just need a little bit, and that's it. So guys, if you're the type of person that has like a very thick scalp, like the middle of my hair is very long, it's like longer than every part of my hair, and it's very very thick. So if you're that type, don't stress yourself, because at the middle will be very difficult to twist. because of the amount of the hair in there. And then another thing is that hair in front and back is definitely going to cover it, so there's no cause for alarm. And this hair is done. I am done. So the thing is that this particular video clip is very pretty. Look at that pretty girl. Oh my goodness. Ooh, who is that girl? So I actually switched off my ring light, and it's so pretty that I did. I think I'm gonna be filming without. So right here is a finished look. This is the before, and this is the after. Yay! So this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your time. Ask me any question down below, and I'll be happy to answer you. See you in my next other video, guys. Thank you. Bye.